What's up YouTube world? Welcome in or welcome back. As the Rio de Janeiro and Madeira carnivals approach, this series will be dedicated to exploring carnival makeup throughout the next month. So today we're going to do a simple pink and purple eye makeup look. Stick around until the end of the video to see more pictures of the completed look. I've completed one eye to show you how it will look, so let's get started on the other one. I'll start with this Revolution palette, applying the pink shade to the inner corner of the eye using a flat brush. Then, with a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'll blend it upwards towards the brow bone with a buffing motion. Next, I'll take a light purple shade, applying it next to the pink with another flat brush. Using an eyeshadow brush, I'll blend it out with the same buffing motion. To create a clean edge, I'll place a piece of tape along the lower lash line. With a darker purple shade from another Revolution palette, I'll apply it next to the light purple, extending it up the tape while blending and buffing. Using a black purple shade from this MAC palette, I'll buff it into the outer edge of the corner with a short brush, blending it into the dark purple with a slim brush for a smooth transition. Okay, so for the liner, I'll use a liner brush to apply glitter gel in a winged shape. Then I'll press purple glitter over the gel. Use a tissue to catch the fallout, and once done, remove the tape. Under the lower lash line, I'll apply the light purple with the same flat brush, followed by the dark purple towards the outer corner using a pencil brush. I'm now going to fill the waterline with black liner and buff black eyeshadow into the lower lash line for added depth using a short brush. Next, I'll coat my lashes with mascara and apply false lashes. For a touch of shimmer, I'll use a liner brush to apply gold eyeshadow glitter to the inner corner and under the brow. Okay, now finally I'll contour the face using a large fluffy brush to define the features. For blush, I'll apply Bobbi Brown's Clementine shade using this brush, followed by MAC's Oh Darling highlighter above the blush, on the nose and on the Cupid's bow. To finish the look, I'll use MAC's Nightingale lip liner and foiled rose lipstick. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, show some love by giving that like button a hug and subscribing to my channel. Follow me on Instagram for more looks and reels and DM me with any questions. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.